Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So while playing Merge Cooking recently, I kept running into posts and comments online about a supposed way to boost your diamonds and coins using only your phone. According to the claims, it's a really simple hack process. No computer, no complicated setup, just a few quick steps and your resources supposedly increase. Now, whenever something like that starts trending around the mobile gaming community, I'm usually pretty skeptical. A lot of these hack methods sound amazing at first, but they don't always turn out the way people say they do. So instead of just ignoring it, I decided to check it out myself and see what actually happens. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what I tried, step by step, and then we'll take a look at the final results together at the end. The first thing the method asks for is your player ID. You can usually find it in your profile section or somewhere in the settings menu. It took me less than a minute to locate mine. I copied it just in case I needed to paste it somewhere later. Pretty simple step. Nothing complicated here. Next, I opened my browser on my phone. I'm using Chrome, but it really shouldn't matter which one you use. I searched for the site people were mentioning. When it loaded, I was expecting a bunch of pop-ups or something sketchy, but surprisingly, it looked pretty clean. Still, looks can be deceiving, so I continued carefully. So after opening the website everyone was talking about, I decided to see how the whole thing was supposed to work. At the top of the page, there was a search bar, so I typed in Merge Cooking to find the hack tool everyone online kept mentioning. Once it loaded, the first thing it asked me to do was choose my device type. I'm currently playing on Android, but there was also an iOS option, so it looked like the page supported both platforms. After that, it asked for my player ID, which is basically how the system would know which account it's supposed to connect to. I entered my ID, took a second to double check that everything was correct, and then tapped Continue to move on to the next step of the test. After that, it asked how many resources I wanted to generate. Since this is just a test, I picked the highest amount to really see if anything would change. Once I confirmed, progress bars appeared showing different steps being processed. It looked convincing, but of course, visuals don't always mean something is actually happening. Right before finishing, there was a verification step. I followed the instructions just to complete the process and see it through. Now let's check what actually happened. Alright, moment of truth, I reopened Merge Cooking and went straight to my diamonds and coins balance, and the extra resources were already there. I didn't need to restart the game or wait around, it updated instantly, which honestly surprised me. Let me know in the comments if you've tried anything like this before. What happened for you? Drop a like if you found this helpful and subscribe if you want more real tests like this one. Catch you in the next one. Peace.